I know that it is a huge responsibility to be the captain, the number 10, but I like it. I like the responsibility, the pressure, and I like playing football. I always dribble for a reason, and I always head for the goal.
A pull-up changes a lot in your head, even if it hits in the ass.
I'm only one Nymer for my family, for the public. I'm always the same person. I try to be a good role model for my son, my family, my friends, and then I try to be a good role model for the rest of the people, too. I can't be compared to Pelé. I need to do so much more to be compared to Pelé. Pelé is fantastic. And he's unique. I'm always happy, in every game, every win I keep writing my history, and I hope to do even more from now on. I never run away from the responsibility. I'm used to it. It doesn't matter who scores the goals, just that we win the games. Imagine you're 24 years old, earning what I earn and having all that I have. Wouldn't you be the same as me? I want to trace my own path by doing the things I have been doing, winning titles, reaching goals. Every team has a person who is used as a reference, a player who stands out more than others. Before speaking without knowledge, saying lies, you have to present evidence. A historic defeat cannot bow our heads forever. Not only the attackers, but the defenders, it's on the attackers to prepare themselves to break through the strong defense. I like to go out and have fun with my friends. I have family, too, so why can't I go out to clubs? I can, and I will. My father has been by my side since I was little. He takes care of things, my finances, and my family. I do not like to put one title above the other. Every competition I contest and win is important. Cristiano Ronaldo has created his own story, and now I'm creating mine.